How to set up animated wallpaper on your iPhone. For that, lock your screen and press and hold. Then you can see the customization. Press on this plus icon. Then two things here. If you want to set your own image, then you can select live photos. If in your live photos, if you take any live photos, then you can set it as wallpaper. And if you don't want to set any image, then under iOS 18 you can see this option. Press on any image and scroll down, then you can see the dynamic. So you have to select dynamic. You can see my wallpaper is automatically changed. See, once done, press on done, set wallpaper and select. Now if you check my display, then you can see it will be changed automatically. So that's it. Don't forget to thumbs up and do subscribe. Have a good day.